What if your camera could read your mind? Not literally, but close. What if it could sense what you're about to shoot before you even press the button? That's not a sci-fi concept anymore. It's happening right now. The world's biggest camera makers and AI innovators are building intelligent cameras that don't just take pictures. They think. They can analyze your surroundings, predict your intentions, and even capture the perfect moment before you lift a finger. This is the future of photography, a world where cameras understand creativity as much as they capture it. Let's break down how this works, what brands like Canon, Sony, and Apple are developing, and how AI cameras will completely change how we shoot photos and videos forever. For decades, the story of cameras has been about resolution and optics. More megapixels, bigger sensors, sharper lenses. But we're reaching a point where image quality is no longer the challenge. Intelligence is. That's where AI photography comes in. Today's most advanced cameras, from smartphones to mirrorless systems, already use machine learning to enhance images. They recognize faces, adjust lighting, sharpen detail, and even remove noise automatically. But the next step goes beyond enhancement. It's prediction. Imagine this. You're at a park. Your child is about to jump into a puddle. Before you can even hit the shutter, your camera, or even your phone, has already captured that perfect splash midair. That's exactly what new AI-driven predictive capture systems are doing. Companies like Sony, Apple, and Google are training models that can understand motion, patterns, and context to anticipate when a moment is about to happen. Sony's latest alpha prototypes use real-time subject recognition AI, capable of tracking eyes, faces, and body movement so accurately that the camera knows when a person is about to smile, blink, or move. Apple's iPhone Pro lineup is going further. Its photo intelligence mode uses on-device AI to sense scene intent. That means if it recognizes a pet running or someone raising a glass for a toast, it automatically buffers frames before you press capture. When you hit the button, it already has the best possible shot, perfectly timed, perfectly exposed. That's not just autofocus. That's anticipation. This predictive power comes from what's called neural scene understanding, the ability of AI to read what's in front of it and infer what's about to happen. Your camera can recognize a setting, say a beach sunset, and know from thousands of similar images how people tend to frame it, what lighting works best, and which composition most users find beautiful. It then subtly adjusts exposure, focus, depth, and color grading before you even touch a setting. The result? Photos that feel effortlessly cinematic. And for creators, it's revolutionary. Instead of fiddling with menus or missing moments while you tweak ISO and aperture, you can focus on storytelling, while your AI assistant handles the rest. This is exactly where the industry is heading. Canon recently unveiled its AI-powered concept camera that automatically captures candid shots based on facial expression and motion. It detects smiles, movement, and framing, snapping photos when it senses moments worth keeping. Meanwhile, Nikon has been experimenting with adaptive AI autofocus that learns your shooting style. The more you shoot, the better it gets at predicting what you want to focus on. But this transformation isn't limited to professional gear. Smartphones are quickly becoming AI photography powerhouses. Google's Pixel 9, for instance, can combine multiple frames captured before and after you press the shutter to deliver what's called the impossible shot, merging time into one image. It uses AI to find the best expressions, fix closed eyes, remove blur, and even reposition faces slightly for better balance. Apple, Samsung, and Xiaomi are doing the same, blending computational photography with neural prediction to create photos that are technically perfect and emotionally powerful. But the real magic of these AI-powered cameras isn't just better pictures. It's how they're changing what photography means. We used to think of photography as the art of timing, being in the right place at the right moment. Now, the camera itself understands that timing. It's learning what moments matter. It's learning what beauty means. Not in a human sense, but through millions of examples and patterns. That raises an exciting question. If a machine can predict the perfect shot, what happens to creativity? Some purists argue that AI takes away the craft, that letting algorithms decide focus or framing means we're losing human touch. But others see it differently. They believe AI will amplify creativity, freeing photographers to focus more on emotion and story, not on technical details. After all, a great photo isn't just pixels, it's feeling. And if AI can help you express that feeling faster and more naturally, that's not replacement, that's evolution. And the evolution doesn't stop with still photos. AI is completely transforming video too. Cameras like Sony's FX lineup and DJI's drones are now using AI scene prediction to anticipate subject movement, ensuring smoother framing, smarter stabilization, and even automatic reframing in post-production. You'll soon be able to film something and have your camera automatically edit it for rhythm, tone, and even emotional flow, all guided by AI trained on cinematic storytelling. In other words, your gear won't just capture, it'll co-create. But with all this intelligence, privacy becomes a question. An AI that can recognize faces, predict motion, and identify emotional states is incredibly powerful. But it also needs limits. That's why companies are increasingly using on-device AI, keeping your photos and data private. The recognition happens locally, not in the cloud. So your camera learns your habits, your favorite angles, your subjects, your lighting, without sending that data anywhere else. That's the future of personalized photographies, private, predictive, and adaptive. And as the line between professional cameras and smartphones continues to blur, AI will become the new lens, the invisible eye that enhances how we see the world. So what does this all mean for photographers, creators, and everyday users? It means photography is no longer about capturing the world. It's about collaborating with your camera to interpret it. Soon, your device will know what kind of moment you're trying to preserve. A laugh, a leap, a look. And ensure you never miss it. Your camera will see through your eyes. It'll learn your aesthetic. And over time, it'll become an extension of your creative mind. The shutter button might stay, but pressing it will feel less like commanding a tool and more like completing a shared thought. Because in the future of photography, the smartest camera won't just see the world, it'll see you.